Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to buy a domain name. In this video, I'll show you how to purchase a domain using GoDaddy. Let's dive in. First, head over to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll find a search bar on your dashboard where you can enter the domain name you're interested in. For this tutorial, I'll search for ismadigitalpathways.com and see if it's available. If the domain is available, GoDaddy will display options to purchase the .com version or a bundle that includes other popular extensions like .net, .store, XYZ, and more. Choosing a bundle can be a great way to protect your brand and prevent others from registering similar names. If you're focused solely on the .com, you can select that option and move forward. Next, you'll have the option to add domain protection. GoDaddy offers full domain protection, which adds extra security against unauthorized actions like transferring or deleting your domain. You can choose to add this or skip it and continue. Next, you'll be prompted to add a custom email domain that you can use for your business. You'll see 3 different email options displayed on the screen, each with its monthly pricing. Simply choose the one that best fits your needs. Afterward, you'll also have the option to select a hosting subscription. If you need hosting, go ahead and choose the plan that works for you. If not, you can skip this step and continue. Once you're satisfied with your choices, proceed to checkout and complete the purchase using your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card or PayPal, and there you have it. You've successfully purchased your domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.